Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're mixing up something very special. First I'm going to add some hot water to the bottom of this mason jar, maybe 2 or 3 ounces. Then I'm going to pop in this lime lift-off tablet. Tons of energy, antioxidants, lots of B vitamins, our lemon tea, Herbalife concentrate, about a half a teaspoon. And the reason I like to use hot water is because it just dissolves these products more quickly. And then our special ingredient for today is the Margarita mix. It's naturally and artificially flavored. There's no nutritional value in these powders. It's just a flavor boost. So I'm going to mix it up really well. And then we are going to add a ton of ice. So add a little bit more water. I would say a little bit more than halfway. And then we're going to make it extra special. You could just stop here and just add all the water and make it a pure original lime margarita, but we're going to do some extra special things here today, including putting some fresh limes in, which I forgot I had. So I should have stuck them in before adding the ice, but I am not a professional barista by any means. So our additional flavor boost is the strawberry flavor. And we're just going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of the strawberry powder, mix it in some water, and then layer it. Now adding all that ice in there is what creates the layering effect, and it makes it look super pretty. So I have to say I'm really excited because one of my clients informed me that she's been making her tea beverages with flavor boosts from the store. I think she said she was using Crystal Light. So she was super excited to see that we had all these fun flavors to now add in, and she could get it directly from her Herbalife distributor. And look how pretty, isn't that awesome? So this drink is especially made for all the dads. Happy Father's Day to my dad, and of course to the dad of my own children. Jared, we love you, and just wishing Happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads around the world.